In the intricate landscape of switchgear solutions, every challenge you face while operating it requires immense focus. Navigating through these operational challenges can be overwhelming. Are you in search of a switchgear solution that offers simplicity? A solution that doesn't compromise reliability for ease? We have the ideal solution to simplify your operational needs. EasySet MV, where simplicity meets reliability. Experience a seamless operator experience with a robust and user-friendly design. Achieve effortless installation. Ensure operational safety through internal arc-proof construction. Managing risks with precision. Adherence to stringent IEC standards. Flexibility to meet your ever-evolving needs. Wireless sensors allow for easy installation and remote monitoring, contributing to efficient maintenance and rapid response to potential issues. Our sensors are linked to our EcoStruxure panel server, supported by our energy management and monitoring solutions by providing 24/7 advanced monitoring, analytics, and remote management capabilities. Elevate your electrical infrastructure with easy customer experience, operation, reliability, and maintenance. Make reliable impact with EasySet MV.